Hello guys, Sami here. Today we will launch the Nova 4, its first smartphone with a hole punch display in Changsha, China. Endorsed by Chinese superstar Jackson Yi. The screen is a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display at 2310 by 1080 resolution. The rear screen-to-body ratio reaches to 86.3%. The back features a gradient color glass, a fingerprint reader. The middle frame is made by polished metal. It also features a USB Type-C port and, thank to God, the 3.5mm headphone jack. The Nova 4 packs the Crane 970 chipset, 8GB of RAM, supports GPU Turbo based on Emotion UI 9.0.1, and also comes with Xiaoyi Voice Assistant. The 3.05mm diameter hole houses the Nova 4's 25MP front-facing camera, supports real-time beautify, while the Nova 4's rear camera comes with 48MP with 60MP with 2MP sensors. There's also a model available with a 20MP plus 60MP plus 2MP setup, while the 48MP is the first one to be adopted in the phone industry. All of the cameras are backed by AI features. The battery is 3750 mAh, supports quick charge, but not wireless charging and NFC. The phone comes in special red, white, aurora blue, and black color options. For the special red, it has been processed by double coating. Also, on the launch event, it released the Huawei Enjoy 9, MateBook 13 notebook, portable photo printer, and even fake gimbal. There's only 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of ROM for you to choose from. The Nova 4 price is set at 3,399 yuan or 3,099 yuan for the 20MP camera version. Okay, that's a really simple hands-on video of the Nova 4. If you have any questions, please just leave a comment below. I'm Sami, and see you next time.